Did you know the Quran contains verses about the origins of life that many believe align with modern science? While some dismiss them as coincidence or lacking depth, others argue these verses reveal profound truths about the human body's elemental composition, the building blocks of life, genetic codes, and the intricate mysteries of how life begins and develops. At first glance, these verses may appear simple, offering no groundbreaking insights. Yet, they've convinced world-renowned scientists like Professor Keith Moore and Christian theologian and mathematician Dr. Gary Miller to embrace Islam. These verses also inspired Dr. Maurice Bucaille, a prominent physician and author, to dedicate his life to exploring the harmony between the Quran and modern science. What could lead such accomplished individuals, deeply rooted in logic and evidence, to transform their beliefs and rethink their entire worldview? Could there be a deeper truth within these verses, something powerful enough to challenge long-held views and change lives? Determined to uncover this mystery, we delved deeper, harnessing the power of AI to analyze these Quranic verses through the lens of modern science. What we discovered bridges the worlds of scripture and discovery in ways never seen before. Science today has unlocked some of life's most profound mysteries. We've mapped the human genome, unraveled the building blocks of matter, and observed the intricate process of human development in the womb. We now know that water sustains all life, genetic material determines the traits of living beings, and human development unfolds in precise stages. But rewind to the 7th century, a time devoid of microscopes, systematic scientific frameworks, or even basic tools for observation. The womb was a complete mystery, a black box that science couldn't penetrate. Yet, in that era, the Quran revealed verses that appear to describe these phenomena. Could such ancient words hold insights that align with today's discoveries? One such verse states, "He created man from clay like that of pottery." Surah Ar-Rahman 55:14. In the 7th century, human origins were often explained through myths or unscientific speculation. Yet, the Quran connects human creation to Earth's materials. Today, modern science confirms the human body is composed of elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen, elements found in soil. AI analysis shows this alignment with modern views is both precise and remarkable, as supported by studies in biology. The Quran further states, "And we made from water every living thing. Then will they not believe?" Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. In the 7th century, the role of water in life was unknown. Modern science now confirms water is essential for all living organisms, forming 60% of the human body and playing a critical role in biochemical processes. This alignment with modern science is astonishing, but could it be a coincidence? Another verse emphasizes human reproduction, and he created the two mates, the male and the female, from a sperm drop when it is emitted. Surah An-Najm 53:45-46. This verse highlights the sperm's role in reproduction, a fact confirmed only in the 20th century when scientists discovered that sperm carries the genetic information determining sex. The Quran also describes the stages of human development in remarkable detail. "We created man from a drop of fluid, then placed him as a clot in a firm lodging. Then we made the clot into a lump. Then we made the lump bones, and we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed him into another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators." Surah Al-Mu'minun 23:12-14. These verses outline the precise sequence of human development, from fertilization, implantation, and early embryonic growth to the formation of bones and muscles, aligning perfectly with modern embryology. AI confirms this sequence matches the findings of contemporary science, something unimaginable in the 7th century. Another remarkable description is found in, "He creates you in the wombs of your mothers, creation after creation, within 3 layers of darkness." Surah Az-Zumar 39:6. Modern embryology identifies these 3 layers of darkness as the abdominal wall, uterine wall, and amniotic sac, each layer playing a critical role in protecting and sustaining the fetus. Could such precise insights have been deduced through observation or intuition in the 7th century? AI analysis concludes that these descriptions reflect knowledge far beyond the reach of ancient tools or methods. Historical theories of embryology, like those of Aristotle and Galen, were vague and often inaccurate. In contrast, the Quran presents a detailed and accurate sequence of development, unmatched by ancient scientific ideas. The probability of these descriptions being mere guesses is astronomically low. AI estimates the chances of accurately describing these stages in correct order with such precision to be less than 1 in 100 million. For some of the greatest minds, the Quran's verses provided undeniable evidence. Professor Keith Moore, one of the world's leading embryologists, stated that these descriptions could only come from a divine source. Dr. Gary Miller found the Quran's scientific harmony to be a turning point in his spiritual journey. Dr. Maurice Bucaille, astounded by the Quran's alignment with modern science, concluded that it could only be the work of God. The Quran's verses about life's origins and mysteries challenge us to reflect deeply. Could this knowledge be a coincidence, or does it point to a creator who knows all? If you found this exploration meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI United Momin. Let us continue uncovering the wonders of faith, science, and divine wisdom. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who give thought. Surah Ar-Rum 30:21.